This is the way Luke at Cooking in the Midwest makes crock-pot creamy chicken pasta when he doesn't feel like cooking. Spray a crock-pot with cooking spray. Add 1 pound of chicken breasts. Season with ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a 15-ounce jar of Alfredo sauce, and a 24-ounce jar of marinara sauce. Cover and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. When chicken is cooked, shred or cube up the chicken and add it back to the crock pot. Stir in 1 cup of freshly shredded mozzarella cheese. In another pan, boil 16 ounces of your favorite pasta according to the directions on the box. Drain pasta and add to the crock pot. Stir well and top with shredded Parmesan cheese and dried parsley. Pair with fresh breadsticks and salad. Now, I'd say that's pretty darn near perfect.
To get everything on the food rack, be sure to hit that subscribe button.